going to be speaking about attachments. This is a terminology that mankind have adopted and share among the masses. This is where attachments can effectively, spirit entities will attach themselves to your human vessels. Why? Exactly, that's exactly what I'm thinking. First of all, I understand and appreciate I'm very opinionated, and also I have a very different understanding to the majority of you. But you have to understand, there's one thing that I've learned from working alongside the spirit world and the realms is they don't attach to you. They don't need to attach to you. You have to understand the humanistic concept there. You're thinking of a spirit effectively jumping on your back and, sitting there like a little backseat passenger. It's not coming off your back, it's clinging on for dear life because it wants to see what you're doing. No, it doesn't. Okay? Stop thinking about that. If you are somebody who is going into paranormal activities, you are going into these different places, and you are actively working alongside of the spirit, does that mean that the spirit may work with your energy when you aren't in the location? No, it simply doesn't. Why would it? It's working with you in that location for your evidence. If there is no intelligence behind it, then the spirit world aren't going to entertain you. They seriously aren't going to be wasting their time. They've got far too many things to be getting on with than, picking on one human being and following them around the earth plane. It doesn't work like that, and I don't accept it. If you are somebody who practices that, then I would strongly suggest, especially if you are wanting to become a medium, I know there's many mediums who share that notion, so honestly, you're not alone out there. But please understand, if you are wanting to be a medium, that shows a lack of understanding. That shows a knowledge gap. The reason why there's a knowledge gap there is during that transition from the known to the not known, we have now introduced a process and a fear-based element because you lack the understanding. We can get rid of that. Very, very simple. How do we get rid of that, you might be asking? We get a good understanding. An understanding that we can give you on this platform. And if you're new to the platform, then go and check out any one of the videos on this topic. The energy does not need to follow you. You are not special. Okay? And I know you might not want me to say that to you, but you are not special in any way, shape or form for the spirit world. The spirit world will work with you, but they're certainly not just going to pick you. They're going to work with everyone. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.